Hello. Feeling like bigger competitors always snatch the spotlight online? You're not alone. Digital world can feel overwhelming, especially when budgets are tight. But what if I told you there is a powerful tool that can level the playing field totally for free? Enter the free Semrush account. This isn't just a basic trial. It's your secret weapon for digital marketing. Imagine knowing exactly what your audience is searching for and how your rivals are winning online, all without spending a dime. That's the power we're talking about. Why is this a game changer for you? For starters, SEO is essential. If customers can't find you online, you're missing out. SEMrush helps optimize your website to rank higher, bringing more organic traffic, that's free traffic, right to your digital doorstep. And then there's competitive analysis. With your free account, you can peek behind the curtain, see which keywords your top competitors are ranking for, understand their traffic sources. This isn't about copying, it's about learning. Spot market gaps, find new keyword opportunities, and refine your own strategy to stand out. It helps you make smarter decisions with your limited resources. You can also identify your niche and target audience by seeing what terms people are actively searching for in your industry. You can better understand their needs. Tailor your content, your products, and your services to speak directly to them. This clarity means more precise, impactful marketing, making every interaction count. So, how do you unlock this power? Let's talk about the key features. First, keyword research. This is your digital goldmine. Type in a term relevant to your business and SEMrush shows you search volume and related keywords. This helps you understand what potential customers are actually typing into search engines. Find those high impact keywords with decent search volume but not crazy competition. Then create content that answers those specific searches. It's like putting up the perfect signpost to guide people to your business. Next, a basic website audit. Even stunning websites can have hidden issues. SEMrush can scan your pages and flag critical problems like broken links, missing descriptions, or slow loading speeds. Fixing these technical snags is fundamental. It ensures search engines can easily understand and rank your site. It's your website's health checkup. You can also dive deeper into competitor analysis. Pop in a rival's website and get insights into the top organic keywords and estimated traffic. This intelligence is amazing for small businesses. It shows you what's working for them, so you can adapt and refine your own tactics. It's like having an ethical sneak peek at their playbook. And don't forget backlinks. These are links from other websites to yours, and they tell Google you're authoritative. SEMrush gives you an overview of your backlink profile, helping you understand your online authority and find opportunities to build more high-quality links. It's like getting trusted referrals for your business. Now, how do you turn these insights into actions? Number one, optimize your Google business profile listing. For local businesses, this is crucial. Use SEMrush's keyword insights to find local terms people are searching for. Incorporate these into your GMB Pro description and post. More local searches means more foot traffic and calls. Number two, create high-ranking content ideas. Use those related keywords and search questions from SEMrush to fuel your blog posts and articles. Answer your audience's burning questions and position yourself as an expert. This attracts organic traffic that genuinely wants what you offer. Number three, monitor competitors' keywords. Keep an eye on your rivals. Are they ranking for new terms? What products are they pushing? This keeps you agile and competitive. Number four, improve your on-page SEO fundamentals. The site audit helps you fix meta descriptions, H1 tags, and title tags. These small changes make a huge difference in how search engines understand and rank your pages. Yes, the free account has limits, You get fewer daily searches, but prioritize. Focus on one SEO goal at a time. Research keywords for a new product page one day. Check a competitor the next. Make every query count. When you consistently hit those limits and your business growth demands more, that's when a paid upgrade becomes a smart investment. Don't let SEO complexity hold you back. The free Semrush account is your first step towards digital empowerment. Make informed decisions, optimize your efforts, and steadily build your online visibility without breaking the bank. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.